Hello, students. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are doing well. We have a question. A motorcyclist stunt rider moving horizontally takes off from a point of 1.25 meters. This is actually the height above the ground, landing 10 meters away as shown. This is basically the horizontal range. This is actually a projectile question. Whenever we have a projectile question, for example, this is an object which is moving in two-dimensional space, like horizontally as well as vertically. This is called a projectile motion. Now, remember one thing in these type of questions, we have to remember one thing कि जब एक ऑब्जेक्ट को हम थ्रो करेंगे तो जो टाइम उसको vertically downward लगेगा, the time for going it downwards is exactly the same if the object was projected and it was going this way. So the time in both situations will be same. Now we have to consider one thing while doing this question. Like for example, this is the horizontal velocity. This is ux, which is unknown to me. An examiner has asked for like what was the speed at takeoff. So this is ux, which is unknown to me. When we see like u of y is taken as zero because Joe motorcyclist it was not coming down when he was projected. जब उसने leave किया ramp को, so he was going in this direction. That's why horizontal velocity is taken as non-zero and vertical velocity is taken as zero. So now, what I can do, like I can resolve the question in two parts. So whenever in this type of situation, projectile equation को दो हिस्सों में तकसीम करते हैं, one horizontal के लिए अलग और vertical के लिए अलग. So s of x is equal to u of x t plus half a of x t square. Remember one thing, हमेशा horizontal acceleration जो है वो बेटा आप zero लोगे because horizontal velocity constant रहती है. That is why this whole term is taken as zero. So s of x would be equal to u of x times t. So s of x is equal to 10 meters. I have no idea what u of x is and I have no idea what time is. Now I can find this thing by using this relation s of y is equal to u of yt plus half a of y t squared. Why I'm taking a of y? Because it's the vertical one. So what is the vertical displacement? It is 1.25 meters. What is the vertical initial velocity? It was taken as zero because object को जब हमने project किया, it was going horizontally, not vertically. So zero, 1 by 2, and acceleration की value 9.81 लेंगे in this case. If I solve this for t, so I would get 2 times 1.25 divided by 9.81. So if I just solve it, what would I get? Just 1 second. I would get time, which is equal to 0.25. This was 2t square, and this is 0.25. So t would be equal to 0.5. Now this time जो टाइम ऑब्जेक्ट को यहाँ आने में लगता एग्जैक्टली वही टाइम उसको यहाँ आने में भी लगेगा. That's why I can take this time to be same here. So it would be 10 meters equals u of xt times t. So u of x would be 10 meters divided by 0.5. So u of x would be equal to 20 meters per second. That's all. So the answer is D.